June and July is the best weather for beans in our place here in Texas. It is because it is warm and beans likes warm weather. June and July are summer months in our place. I planted my seedlings last March, and if you count the days how many days to harvest the fruit, it is about 3 months. Beans are easy to grow and low maintenance. You can start germinating the plant indoor in a germinating mat during winter, or you can just bury the seed into the ground during warm weather. Once you see the leaves, you can then expose to a growing light or to the sun. The plant likes direct sun. Water the plant at least twice a week. Once the plant is growing, you can guide the vine into a trellis. At first, you can tie it with a rope or plant clips, but once the vine wraps the trellis, you will no longer need by the plant. It will just continue going around the trellis until it reaches the top of the trellis. Beans have the highest protein content of any plant food. It is low calories, no cholesterol, no fat, and high in fiber. Beans are also loaded with complex carbohydrates that give us energy. They are also full of vitamin B, zinc, potassium, magnesium, calcium, and iron. Protein is a vital nutrient that is important in maintaining and repairing the body. Beans contain amino acids. Amino acids are the protein building blocks that the body uses to heal and to make new tissues such as bone, muscle, hair, skin, and blood. Beans are rich in polyphenols, which are type of antioxidant. Antioxidants fight the free radicals, which are damaging chemicals that the body produces during metabolism and other processes. Free radicals can cause cell damage that can result in various diseases. Antioxidants help the body remove free radicals. In this way, antioxidant-rich foods such as beans can help protect the body from diseases. Beans' young stems and leaves are also edible. They taste different from the fruit, but it tastes like similar with other green vegetables. You can mix with any other vegetable. It is because the taste is mild. Beans are the easiest to cook. There are a lot of recipes that you use beans. You can also cook by itself. You can just add soy sauce or salt. You can stir fry or boil. You can mix with other vegetables. The taste is mild, so you can combine with any other vegetables. Aside of being delicious and nutritious, beans can help stabilize blood glucose levels. That is why beans are good in diabetes. Beans are high in fiber, which can help lower blood glucose. My blackberries fruits are ripening. This is the time of the year that I get to enjoy to harvest the fruits. these are my snacks when I go to my garden. It is a healthy snack because it's loaded with vitamins and minerals. They're full of vitamins and minerals like C, K, and manganese. It is high in fiber. I was so excited when I saw the female flowers of my squash. I harvested some of the male flowers to eat, but few days after, something had happened. For some reason, my squash died. I planted the seedlings of my tomatoes last May after I harvested my radish. Now they are tall and producing flowers. I tied them into a trellis because they are starting to get heavy and can no longer stand. The seeds that I used to plant these tomatoes are straight from my kitchen. I used the rotten tomatoes. I removed the seeds and placed into a paper towel. I dried it for several days, then covered it with soil. After several days, the seeds sprouted, and I repotted into small pots. I exposed them into the sun to acclimatize, and few days after, I transplanted them into the ground. Okra is my favorite vegetable. It is because it's delicious and nutritious. It is a good source of minerals, vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. Jute, or known as saluyot, is another vegetable that I like. It is delicious and nutritious. This plant contains antioxidants, calcium, vitamin A, C, and K. It is rich in fiber and low in calories and carbs. is now growing faster. The weather must be right for the plant to grow. I planted the seedlings last May. These Thai basils are growing everywhere. They voluntarily grow every year around my garden. I don't have to plant them. Some of them I shared to my coworkers. Some of my herbs are now flowering and making seeds. I just leave them to fall into the ground, so next year they will grow back and I don't have to buy. My moringa is doing good at this time. This is also a plant that loves warm weather. These are my squash, gourd, and loofah. I thought they were all squash, but now I can recognize them. But these plants are similar, so it's okay to plant them all together. This is lemongrass. I bought the cuttings from the Asian market. Lemongrass cannot survive the winter, so every year I have to plant a new one. My sweet potato loves the warm weather. I already harvested leaves multiple times. They grow fast during summer. They die during winter. This is a voluntary plant. It probably came from the compost. This might be a melon. My friend Dab finally hatched her eggs. She had 2 babies. They came back and I think they wanted to say thank you. I know she will come back next year. She will come at the same time of this year. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, press subscribe in my YouTube channel. Follow me in Facebook. Press the notification button to be notified with my upcoming videos. Thank you for your support.